We're back, knife enthusiasts, and today we'll be talking about the MKM Tomavo, designed by Jasper Foxes. Start off by giving you a close-up of this knife. Alright, and we'll go over the specs here a little bit. This knife is 7.125 inch overall. Blade length is 2.875. The blade width is 0.875, so it's almost an inch thick. Blade material is M390. Drop point blade with a flat grind and a satin finish on the blade. Of course, it has a plain edge, as you can tell. Little jimping on the rounded top back of the knife on the top of the blade. It is a manual flipper, as you can clearly see. It's set up for right-handed tip-up carry. Has a steel wire clip. It is a Linerlock. G10 contoured on the handle material to give you a better grip, contoured on both sides. This knife weighs in at 3.63 ounce. Has stainless steel liner with a see-through chassis. It's pretty easy to operate one-handed. It's pretty standard for the knife length. 7.125 is a pretty standard size. Has two barrel spacers. Actually has three. Forgot about that bottom one there. Separating the frame. Has a light blue pivot collar cap. Let's go ahead and grab some material here and we can cut with. Brought some paracord over. As you can tell, this knife is going to cut nicely, smooth. There's no fraying. This flipper also has a room for a lanyard in the back. Some people dig that, some people don't. Actually goes through the barrel spacer. Kind of like that feature. This knife should do fairly well at precision cutting. Now this is a thick piece of cardboard, as you can tell. But being that it is cardboard, it obviously will cut right through it. You can tell with spear cutting, goes in nicely. Doesn't pull your knife in. You can keep the tip out if you want it out. Performs nicely in a down cut. You can tell there it doesn't take much pressure to cut through that. Got a little tape on the blade. We love that part. Can't beat the glue. Then of course when it comes to a harder but thinner piece, you can see how she enters and makes its way across. Nice little blade. I like this Timavo a lot. It's a good size. Of course from MKM-Maniago knife makers. Yeah, it's a collaboration about, I think it's 4 different knife companies. I'll have to clean that sucker up now. Also like how the flipper comes out just a little bit to keep your finger from sliding forward. It also has a usable choil. Not as well defined as I would normally like, but not bad. So once again, this is the MKM Tomavo, designed by Jasper Voxes. G10 handle, M390 blade. For those of you that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. Won't be disappointed. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.